love, it will be up here in the iCard. What the fuck? Make sure you check out the eye tutorial. It will be up here in the iCard. Did I just say make sure this low? Wagwan apples, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be reviewing the new palette from the JUVIA'S place by the name of WAHALA. It means drama, and guys, if you want some drama in your life, this is the perfect palette. It's so gorgeous. It has like every bold color, or most bold color, yeah, so you won't have to grab for another palette for bold colors, but it is limited on transition shade. Before we get into that, don't forget to give me a great big thumbs up, leave all your comments down below, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Turn on your notification bell so you stay notified every time I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So guys, if you know anything about JUVIA'S place, everything for them, like they love colors. So all their packages are always gorgeous. So you can see you have blue on one side, pink, orange, green, black. Like, what other way to spell out like drama? Like, yeah guys. And then you know they always have this little thing on the front. I think this is one of my favorite. So as you guys already know, she always name the shades, and they're always like something related to like her or Africa. Well, Africa related to her, so same kind of thing. So for the first shade, it's like a violet shade, and it's BU right here. I'm going to show you like a better video of all the shades on a swatch, guys, so don't worry about that. The second shade is Stand Up, and I really love Stand Up, guys. Stand Up is like your perfect rose gold shade. Then the third shade is Fighter. That sounds like me. So it's kind of a aquamarine teal kind of green. Then the fourth shade is Fire. Let's see what Fire does. I expected it to be more fiery, more lit. It's kind of a red berry looking kind of shade. Then the fifth shade, this is pretty, guys. I don't even know how to explain this. This one is like a chrome looking purple shade, guys. It's so gorgeous. Then you have Unafraid, the first shade in the second row, and this is like a lavender shade. It's very pretty. Then you have Pride, the second shade in the second row. Pride is like your nude. It's like a soft purple shade, kind of nude. I think this is the only shade in the palette that could pass for a transition shade. The only one. Now this one, this one is like an olive green shimmer shade. I really love it. It's very pretty, and I can't wait to play with it. Then you have, oh, and that was Gossip. So the olive shade was Gossip. Then you have Rumors. Rumors is like your perfect rose gold shade, except for it's a little more on the orange end. So Like how this one is more like a perfect rose gold because it's pinky. This one is more orange, but it looks like rose gold. Alright. On to Younger. Younger is on my eyelid, guys. I fell in love with Younger from I picked up the palette. Like, plus it's Younger is a glitter shade and it's like teal. And if you haven't watched my Cancer journey already, make sure you check it out. It will be up here in the iCard. So the color for my Cancer is teal, and that's why I really was like, bam, I gotta do the look with this. So it's a teal glitter shade. I love it. Younger. Make sure you create a look with Younger. And then in the third row, the first shade in the third row is Envy. Envy is also a lavender shade, but it's lighter than the lavender shade I showed you before. It's lighter than Unafraid, but it's the same kind of purple vibe going on, and it's shimmer. Then you have Sis. Oh my god, I'm always saying Sis in my videos. I should have probably tried this. So Sis is like a brown shade, guys. I don't know if I'm digging Sis. It's kind of on the purple. It's brown, like dark brown, but it would show up like a purple. Now we've got Over Sabi. I hope I'm saying this right, but I think it's Over Sabi, and it is a mustard shade. I don't know if you guys can see it. I hope you're seeing it. But it's pretty. I like mustard shades for the most part. Now we have On Silence. On Silence is also part of the look. It is a peach shade. It is so pretty. So this is On Silence. On Silence is in my crease, and I use like Pride to blend out On Silence in my crease. And then on to Love. I think for Love, I think she didn't even do this one right. I think for Love she should have put like a very vibrant red shade. That would more define, like when people say love, they send a red heart. I think that would be better for the shade. Like blue, who say love and put blue? I don't know. Let me know what you think, guys. So Love is a bright blue shade, and Love is on the outer corner of my eye. If you missed that video, or I think that video is gonna come up after this video, whichever, make sure you check out Love. It will be up here in the iCard. What the fuck? Make sure you check out the eye tutorial. It will be up here in the iCard. Did I just say make sure it's low? Now on to the fourth row, like the first shade in the fourth row. It's like I don't know if you guys can see it anymore. It's like a purple shade. It's not bright. I think it's in between Unafraid and Envy. It's kind of a shade in between that. Okay, let's see. So I don't know if you guys can see my hand better like this. It's right here. Then you have Unshook. Let's see what Unshook looks like. Oh my god, I rub it right over the other shade. So Unshook, to me, Unshook looks like also like it has some purple undertone. Like I don't know which color this is, so I'm not gonna even get into that one because I can't explain the shade. It's kind of a brownish purplish shade. Then you have, oh my god, wow, you have Pepper Body. Yo guys, like me not have to break down nothing, right? You guys seeing this, right? Look at that. Just wow. It's a gold glitter foily shade. It's so pretty. Like, I think I'm gonna do a gold cut crease with this. It's too cute. Then you have Busybody. For all my hyperactive people out there, I think this shade is for you, Busybody. I'm not really a busybody, but oh well. Well, this is a pretty rose pink. Busybody is a pretty rose pink. So if you love shades of pink, for me personally, I don't really like pink over my eye because I don't think it complements me well. So yeah. Then the last shade in the palette is Clouds. What's the name of the song Cardi B sing again? About clout with her husband? Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, I can't remember. Anyway, Cloud is like a perfect blue and purple glitter shade. So it has like a purple undertone and like blue. Yeah, that's it for the swatch and the shades and the names. So in the palette you have 8 matte shades, and that is BU, Fire, Pride, Sis, Over Savvy, Unsilenced, Love, Woke, and Busybody. Then you have 8 shimmer shades. That is Stand Up, Fighter, so Stand Up, Fighter, Power, Unafraid, Gossip, Rumors, Younger, Unshook, Pepper Body, and Cloud. Those are all the shimmer shades in the palette. Then you have 3 glitter shades. The one that I use, which is Younger, Pepper Body, and Cloud. Those are the 3 glitter shades. Guys, I think I just said it there, the shimmer. No, they're all the glitter shades. On to the pros and the cons in the palette, guys. Pros, it is a very beautiful, and of course, you know, Juvia's place is known for pigmented eyeshadows. It's very pigmented. It has a lot glitter and shimmer shades in it. So if you lack like a palette with glitter, or if you don't own any glitter at home, this is a perfect palette to grab. It has a lot of bold varieties. So if you do like for instance, it's Drama. The name of it is Drama. If you work in theater or anything like that, or if you're a makeup artist, it's good to have an on hand, because you know a lot of people, when they're going to parties or baby showers, stuff like that, they love bold palettes. So this is a perfect bold palette for that. The cons now, I noticed that when I was blending the peach shade and the blue Love, which is on the outer corner of my eye, it was like a little patchy. I didn't like that. So if you try this palette already and you realize that with the palette, comment down below and let me know, because I know it can't be me alone. Okay, all right. So yeah, it's not your everyday palette. So this is not a palette you could pick up and say, okay, so you must apply glitter glue or glitter primer before you add like the glitter shades, because otherwise, guys, it's gonna be all over the place and nobody wants that. So yeah, so this is the end of my review for the Wahala palette. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're going to ever try it, let me know. And if you try it and you love it, comment down below. Come back and comment down below on this video. Let me know the pros and cons that you found, like probably that I didn't mention. And until my next video, one love.